Hey everyone, it's Lauren Cannon with Millennium Sounds, and this time we're going to show you around one of our newest projects, a high-end residence also known as the Plus House. Let's look around. Here we installed all of the audio-visual components, including the televisions, the sound system, the security system, and more, making this home as modern on the inside as it is on the outside. All right, let's have a look. I noticed they have Toto hand dryers in their own bathroom. That's unbelievable.
Stuff like that.
Like, I need that right now.
This bathroom, come on.
Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. So from right here in the family room, with the help of your Control 4 system that we've installed, you don't even have to leave your seat on the sofa. You can control everything from the climate, the lighting, and all that fun stuff like your great big TV and the Sonos soundbar for movie night. Art or entertainment? We'll see.
Yeah, Millennium Sounds was involved quite early on in the process, actually. Once we had identified our contractor, his name is Ryan Page, Ryan instantly hooked us up with Millennium Sounds. So we wanted to integrate it from the ground up, and so really they needed to be involved in the design process as much as anything. We like the idea of a smart home concept, and one of the things that we had found in our previous homes, we're running around, flipping light switches on, you know, it's dinner time and you want nice ambient lighting, and it takes you 5 minutes to get you the light set and the music on. So the concept of being able to do something like a Control 4 system and just have all that integrated was really appealing. Those kind of things really make a difference. And then with all the glass windows we have, having the automated shades integrated from the beginning and just being able to have some of that even happen automatically. Like this window is probably my favorite feature of the house, but about 4 o'clock, there's a lot of sun pouring through that window, so Millennium Sounds has been able to program that. 4 o'clock, that shade rolls down about halfway, and about 6 o'clock it rolls back up. And my third favorite feature is the shower area with all the big glass walls, but it also has this really cool LED lighting system.
Well, that's it for us here from the Plus House, guys. Make sure to let us know what you think in the comments, and as usual, make sure to follow our social media channels and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.